Hello everyone, welcome to Coroutine in Python coding exercise. Coroutines are a special type of function that yield control over to the caller but does not end its context in the process, instead maintaining it in an idle state. Using coroutines, the yield directive can also be used on the right hand side of an equals to operator to signify that it will accept a value at that point in time. In this coding exercise, we are going to implement a simple coroutine example, as well as we are going to implement coroutines and generators and compare them. To start with, I am going to create a function and then implement a while loop. Print var. Next, I am going to call my function and use the keyword next. So you can see that it successfully called my first coroutine and returns that this is my first coroutine as my string. Next, we are going to implement coroutines and the generators. To implement this, I am going to create a function foo assign message yield, which is basically a coroutine feature, and yield message, which is basically a generator feature. Now I'm going to call my function Next, I am going to use .send syntax to specific coroutine. This sends my string to the first yield, so the message variable will be assigned to that value. So result is equals to coro.send and then I'm going to print the result. Because our coroutine also yields the message variable, it means we can print that value. So you can see that it successfully created my coroutine. This is all from my side for coroutine in Python coding exercise. I hope you enjoyed this coding exercise. Thanks for watching this video.